Hey y'all, what's today? What's today? Today is Thursday. I don't know what time it is, but we are the entrepreneur vlog. I am shopping. Yeah, I am shopping for oils to make my growth oil. Yes, stimulating growth oil. By the time you guys see this, it definitely will be on the website for y'all to purchase. This is what I oil my hair with, or have grown my hair with. Haven't told y'all about my hair journey, but yeah. Here was Deja. Say hey. But yeah, we're here at Walmart. Catch y'all when I start making them. Hey guys, it's me, Imani, your favorite internet best friend. I'm doing this voiceover of me making my stimulating growth oil. So first, I'm just gonna open this box that I use to buy off Amazon to get all of my bottles. I think they're 40-ounce bottles. I really like them. They're the same amount of bottle that you would buy from the beauty supply store, but of course you need them without product and no labels. So yeah, those definitely are on Amazon. If anybody makes growth oils or any type of oils, I'll link those in the description. Right here I'm just comparing the size, making sure it's the same size that I use for my brand, which they are. So yeah, first you want to get a bowl, and these are all my ingredients. I don't really measure them. I mean, I should, but I don't. I just pour them to, I know, it's like the amount that I want. It's crazy, but yeah. So you use, I think, like 4, 5 different oils. And my oils, the ingredients are listed on the bottle. And you guys will find that out later on the video when I show you guys my labels that I get from Vistaprint. Anybody who has a business and you need labels, I highly recommend you get your labels from Vistaprint. Okay, right here, so the coconut oil, as you guys know, is a solid, but it also can be a liquid. It has to be heating up. So I have in the bowl a lot of hot water that like I was boiling, and I put the coconut oil in there so it can melt and be in a liquid state when I put it in the thing to mix. Okay, now I am about to add my coconut oil into my existing oils since it has melted down. And once you do that, you just want to mix it all up until my liking, and I'll come back when I need to say what's going on next. Okay, that wasn't enough coconut oil for me, so I'm just going in for a second time and melting some more. I'll come back when I need to tell you guys what's going on next. Okay, so you're just gonna put that in the hot water and let that do it. Of course, you clean up because there's definitely gonna be some oil spill because we're not a dirty girl. Okay, so that batch of coconut oil has already melted down, so you're just gonna add that into the remaining oils that I already had in the bowl. Yeah, make sure you get everything because we don't waste nothing. And you're just gonna get it a little stir around. Next, I'm gonna add in my essential oils, which I was really running low on, so I had to get a knife to try to take out the little, I guess, I don't know what that's called, so I'm gonna call it a drip control, oil control, little center out. And it wasn't working for me, and I didn't know that it was messed up. So yeah, this is me struggling to get all the oils out. Okay, once I got the essential oils in there to my liking, I'm just gonna stir it up and stir it up. I'm gonna occasionally smell it, and that's just me testing to see the amount of peppermint that was in it because I was coming low. Okay, once you finish stirring up, I'm gonna grab all of my PPE, and that is pretty much everything that I use and I need to actually assemble my products. Next, I'm just gonna put on my gloves because when dealing with oils, I don't want to stain my clothes, even though they're not like going out clothes or anything. I don't want to get those oils on my clothes. I'm always gonna put paper towel down because oils do tend to spill out while I'm pouring. I don't know why I thought it would be best for me to transfer this via a spoon, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna end up changing it because I realized I was wasting all my products. So y'all just gonna see me wasting my time for a little bit before I switch over to what I was using. Finally, it has dawned on me to use the turkey baster that I actually already had sitting at the table. So now I'm just gonna continue to transfer my oils into this. I don't know what that is actually. I found it in a dresser, well, the drawer in my kitchen, and it was the perfect size to pour in the bottle. So I use it. I'm just gonna keep transferring over the oil to the amount that I like, to the amount that goes into the bottle. Let the oils drain down because we don't waste no product. And set that over to the side. Sweep off any oils that you have on your gloves because you don't want those to stain the bottle when you're pouring, because if you have gloves on and the oil's on your gloves and you're holding that bottle, it's gonna mess up. This one is my own personal bottle that I use to oil my hair, so I'm just gonna fill that up all the way to the rim because I'm not gonna be stingy with my products. Like, I hate products that they'll fill it up and it's like not all the way to the rims. I fill mine up all the way. I'm just gonna sit that over to the side, and now I'm going to fill my oil jig back up. Now I'll come back when I need to say something again. Okay, now I'm just gonna wipe my hands off and actually get the bottles that are for you guys and start filling them up. So yeah, I'll just be filling those up. I think I made 2 bottles out of this for you guys. So really, I made 3 bottles instead. I ran out of my essential oil, so I could not make any more. So I'm just gonna clean off the tops, clean off the bottle, make sure it's really tight. Okay, so now I'm just gonna be taking those 3 bottles and putting my labels on them. I made these labels on Vistaprint, and if you have a business, I definitely suggest you making all of your labels for your business off of there. It's cheap, high quality, all of that. I'm going through the bottles, making sure there isn't any oil residue. If it was, it'd come off on my hand. And I'm just gonna be putting the labels on the bottle. So I'm gonna continue to put my labels on the bottles. I hope you guys like this entrepreneur vlog. It's my first one that I've done. Many more to come, of course, because we have a business. I encourage every girl who had loved something and you want to start a business, do it. I definitely will be here to guide you along the way. Like I said again, hopefully you guys will like this video. If you do, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you in the next one. Don't forget to shop Soleil to get these oils and all of our other products. We sell plus size fashion and all of your beauty essential needs. Love you guys. Have a great night, day, or evening wherever you are.